right out of Fort Wayne, Indiana. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Kyle Slager. Kyle, we have had 6 phenomenal shows. We have 3 more left today. Do you think this is going to be our best crowd of the weekend?
We're going to find out. Are you guys going to be the best crowd of the weekend? That is the question.
Yeah!
I am starting to be convinced. We got the best of both worlds out here in one area. We got on the metric bike, me, and we got Rob Carpenter, one of the best in the game on a Harley Davidson, and we got Tice, the man on the bike. So we're going to have a good show for you guys. We just want to let you know, or we want you to let us know that you guys are having a good time by keeping the energy levels high, and we'll keep our trick levels high, right? All right, let's do it.
One more time, put your hands down, make some noise for your XCL Street Champ Team, Rob Carpenter and Kyle Slager. Now, if you guys are unfamiliar with street bike freestyle, we're going to take you slow. Segment, and now our freestyle segment is where Kyle needs to take all these tricks. He starts putting them together. You can see how he does them, combinations, how he transfers from one to another, and that his personal